Aditi from DAV Public School, representing the thinkquest project Maths in our Daily Life. Today we are here to discuss maths in our daily life of an industrial establishment from a senior executive of XYZ company. Whatever information we will share will be strictly kept confidential and will be protected from your competitors. More elaborate explanations will help me and my viewers to understand mathematical application specifically to your department. Sir, may I know which department do you represent?
I am taking care of human resource department of my organization.
Sir, as a subject given to us, how do you think that mathematics is applicable to your department?
As I told you that I am working in an industrial establishment. So industry is all about the business, and in all aspects of the business, mathematics is equally applicable, and without mathematics no business can happen. As you asked me about application of mathematics to human resource department, I would like to tell here that there are certain activities which we have to carry out on day-to-day basis. Like first of all, I would like to mention recruitment. In recruitment, we see the length of service a candidate has, the type of family background he has, means the number of family members, their income, and what type of a salary he has drawn in his last organization. So this type of aspects are related with the mathematics. Then we come to compensation. Compensation means the work done by an employee and he is paid for that. The compensation of an employee depends upon the length of service, the type of exposure he has, the type of assignments he has carried out, then the motivation of an employee. Motivation, we have to conduct a survey for motivation of an employee. And when I said a survey means the mathematical tabulation of different data, factors. Based on those data and factors, we find out which are those factors which we have to focus more. And then comes to the administration. In the administration, we have to take care of different requirements, how much requirement is required for what purpose. All this is all mathematical application. Then the infrastructure requirement. Suppose today we have 100 employees, so what is the seating capacity is required, what will be the IT infrastructure required, what will be the telecom infrastructure required. It is all mathematics. Without mathematics, it is not possible how to identify the requirements.
Sir, now I understand different activities to your department. Now will you please explain how maths is applied on the daily basis?
As I told you just now, that these are different activities which are carried out in my department. And I explained you different activities and their application to the mathematics. Anything else you want to understand?
I'll just say the support is decided by the availability of funds. I have a doubt that if we don't have funds, then would we compromise with our security?
No. Security cannot be compromised at any level. But yes, of course, we have to see that how much we are spending on what item. So budgeting is very important. Without budgeting, no organization can function and survive.
Okay, sir, thanks. Are they the only areas where mathematics is applied to your department?
As I told you just now, these are the areas.
What do you think? Could you have managed your activities without mathematics?
It is certainly not possible. Without mathematics, no activity, even the human life is not possible without the mathematics. we have the heartbeats, we count the heartbeats, then only we can understand whether a person is okay or not. We have different type of bones, different type of structure, and the human behavior we can only measure through their numbers. So without mathematics it is not possible to work not only in HR, in any department.
So far, we have heard of human resource department. It is the need of human and requirement of manpower in an organization. With contrast to mathematics, can you elaborate on this topic?
Yeah, just repeat. I could not get your question properly.
Yes, sir. So far, we have heard of human resource. It is understanding of human needs and requirement of manpower in an organization. Could you please elaborate on it?
Of course. As you told us about the human needs, see, first of all, as I told you, the administration infrastructure, it is the human need, like the convenience at work, the facility required. And moreover, when we understand, like when we fix the compensation or the wages or the salary of a person, we consider how much experience he has, what is the market condition, and how we can retain an employee in our organization with respect to the competitors.
Thank you, sir. Now my last question. Please tell something about your department and mathematics to our school viewers.
My department, I am explaining you everything about my department only, but I would like to mention here the application of mathematics to your school also. Like you have different levels of caliber in different students. Some of the students are average level, some of the students are below average, some of the students are above average. So how to measure? This is again we understand the skill, the grasping power, the explanation, and his expressions of a student, and based on this we can understand that how many of the students are below average, how many students are above average, and how many students are average. Then based on this study we can further develop a plan to enhance their skill levels. Like those who are below average, we would like to make them to the average level, and those who are average level, we would like to them above average, and those who are above average, they should excel in their studies. So this all is related with the mathematics, and without mathematics it is not possible.
Sir, I thank you for sparing the time for us and making our viewer explain how the human resource department and mathematics are interrelated to each other. Thank you.